Do you like making money? Well, I'm assuming you do because this channel is all about how to make extra money. What if I told you you could make an extra $275 per month by doing nothing? Stay tuned. No, it is not clickbait. I'm going to show you guys in this video how you can make an extra $275 a month by doing the exact thing that you're doing right now. Buying and reselling, making money on the side can be enhanced with one product. That product is Rakuten. Now, if you've never heard of Rakuten before, let me explain what it is very quickly. Rakuten is a website that allows you to earn cash back on your purchases at hundreds of retailers. And a lot of these retailers are places that I am posting leads for. Kohl's, Adidas, Nike, all of these places you can earn cash back on all of your purchases. The best part, you can even earn cash back when shopping on Amazon. That's right. By using Rakuten, you can earn cash back on products that you're already reselling. Think of this of like getting a discount on the inventory that you're purchasing to resell. Basically, this means every time that you find a new product to sell, you are making money just by finding that item. So I'm going to show you guys how to sign up for Rakuten very quickly, very easily, and I'm going to show you guys how you can make an extra $275 a month. So let me get you on the screen. So what you're going to do is go down to the very first link in the description and you're going to copy that link. Then you're going to paste that into your web browser to get ready to sign up for Rakuten. Now, if you use the link in the description, you can earn up to $30 extra whenever you sign up and you start making purchases. So take advantage of that. Now, once you're on Rakuten, all you have to do is hit the Join Now button. It's up in the top corner. I'm blocking it. All you have to do is hit this Join Now button and then sign up with your email. So let's do that real fast. All right, perfect. You are now signed into your Rakuten account and your home screen should look something like this. If you guys can see this thing up here in the top right, this shows you that I earned $278 last month, paid out to me via PayPal, literally just for sourcing my items like I would do every single day. So right here on the homepage, it shows you all of the stores that offer cash back right now. You guys can see Walmart, a place that I post leads to all the time, is offering up to 3% cash back right now. Places like Macy's, 6%, okay? And then you have these other stores down here. Dell, for example, is offering 12%, but what if some of these stores don't apply to you? That's why once you download Rakuten, you need to get the Rakuten extension, okay? The Rakuten extension not only tells you what deals are available right now, but watch this. Let's say we are sourcing for Nike.com. So once we go to Nike, heads up, this is an item that I'm posting right now in Juiced. You see this thing pop up in the top right corner where it says activate cash back. Right now, Nike is offering 8% cash back on every single item. So all you do is hit that button, activate 8% cash back. It will reload the website for you, and now you're done. You don't have to do anything else except shop just how you normally would. And then after you make your purchase, this is going to get logged in your Rakuten profile, your Rakuten account that you just created, and you will get 8% cash back on whatever you purchased. Very simply, if you purchase $100 worth of stuff from Nike, you just got $8 back on top of that. This makes your cost of goods a lot lower and your profit margins a lot higher. So after you sign up for your account and you start purchasing things, a couple things to remember. Whenever you make a purchase, you'll earn a percentage of your total purchase back in cash. So as you guys saw, it varies depending on the retailer, but some places can be as high as 10% cash back on all of your purchases. And the best part is each quarter, Rakuten will send you a check directly to your PayPal account, depositing that money. Now, you may be thinking that earning a few dollars cash back isn't really worth the hassle of signing up for Rakuten, but remember this, every single dollar counts, especially as a reseller when we're trying to maximize our margins every chance we get. So, every single dollar that you can sign up for and that you can get back counts. And if you're making regular purchases for your reselling business like we are, we're sourcing items every single day, this is going to add up really, really fast. All these items that I post in Juiced all the time, I would say 75 to 80% of them are offering Rakuten cash back. That's one thing that I always look for. So that is a big reason to sign up for Rakuten. Plus, Rakuten offers special promotions throughout the year that allow you to earn even more cash back. For example, they might offer double cash back on certain products or during certain times of the year. You definitely have to keep an eye out for those promotions, but if you're in the Juice Discord or if you're following me on Twitter at SoulState1, I will notify you guys whenever those opportunities come up, and be sure that you are taking advantage of all of those opportunities. So if you are an Amazon seller or an eBay seller, which I'm assuming you are since you're on this channel, you're always looking for ways to make extra money. I highly recommend that you guys check out Rakuten, that you sign up. You can get $30 just by signing up and making a few purchases, and you'll get cash back on top of that. Rakuten is a simple, easy way to earn cash back on the products that you're already buying and reselling. And as resellers, who doesn't love getting a little bit of extra money into your pocket? So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to sign up for Rakuten, first link in the description. After you make 2 qualifying purchases, you guys will receive a $30 bonus, up to $30 in your Rakuten account, just for making a couple purchases on top of the cash back. Be sure to take advantage of all those things, guys. If you need a cook group, if you need leads to be reselling on Amazon, on eBay, join Juiced. Link down in the description, and I will see you guys there. Be sure to follow me on all my socials, linked down below as well. And you know what? While you're here, if you found the video helpful, be sure to like, be sure to comment for the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell, turn post notifications on too. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great rest of your Tuesday. We'll see you on Thursday. Soul State from Juiced, signing out.